Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's look and makeup tutorial is going to be on this look right here. It is from the Jacklyn Hill palette, and let's go ahead and get into it. So of course I look probably a little crazy because I normally don't do this, but I did my eyebrows and set my eyeshadow lid, prepped it for my eyeshadow first rather than putting on my foundation and everything. So like I said, we're going to be using the Jacklyn Hill palette. Yes, honey! It's lit. Alright, so right now I'm just going ahead and putting in a transition color, which is like a nice little brown. I'm just going ahead and blend that in. Alright, and honey, don't mind me. I be getting caught up in these shows. I be cracking myself up. So now I'm probably using an orange-ish color and a brown, and just going ahead and blend that out on top of my crease on both sides. Alright, so I'm just going to continue with both those shades, and then now I'm putting a darker brown shade into my crease to really bring it out when I cut the crease. Alright, and I went ahead more with that orange shade, and I'm just getting my lid even more with that orange and just packing it on, taking out a lighter yellowish and just putting that closer to my tear duct area as well. So it'll all like run smoothly with the light to dark effect on my eyelid. So now I'm just taking my concealer and carving out my lid and carving the crease out. I'll be going just a little higher than my actual crease, so it won't crease, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna be carving that out on both sides. Not as big, but a pretty decent amount. I'm gonna be carving that out with my concealer, and then I'm gonna set that area as well. Alright, now I'm going to be using my green glitter to just pack that on. I would set it, but the concealer is sticky, so I'm just going to place that glitter right on top of it. It's green glitter from the company NYX. Alright, so now I'm just filling in the glitter and where I just cut the crease. Have that cute little glitter lid. Okay, I'll be applying the glitter on both sides. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. You pop it, girl. You pop it. You pop it, girl. You pop it. Get it, girl. Get it. Pack it on, girl. Pack it. Pack it on, girl. Pack it. Get it and pack it. Pack it. Pack it on. Pack it. All that glitter on. All right, now we're just going in with this dark, it's like a blue purple. It's like one of my favorite colors in the Jacklyn Hill palette. It's so pretty. I'm just going in on top of the glitter, literally where my crease is, and just putting that like a line of that color in there to give it some more life, honey. Yeah, some more life. Going in with my NYX HD Pro Primer. I'm putting that all over my face. Of course, not on my eyelids, but I'm putting it all on my face to prime my foundation. You already know what foundation I'm putting on. It's my LA Girl Pro foundation, and I'm using that with my beauty blender. I believe I can use both colors, coffee and I think the other one is topaz and foundation. It just depends what kind of day it is, honestly, but I use both those shades. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all of that. Normally I don't really do as much correcting. I do have dark marks on my cheeks, as you've seen, but I don't have to do that much correcting. All right, I already put my concealer on. I used the Fawn concealer, and now I'm just setting all of that with my Airspun translucent powder with my other beauty blender. This is another one. I don't use the same beauty blender for my foundation and concealer as I do for my powder. I use two different beauty blenders. All right, so I like to bake, honey, because who don't like a chocolate chip cookie that's baked? Okay. Yeah, so I just like to bake and go in, because especially if I'm going to have a long day, or if I want to be beat at work and snatched and, you know, not have no oils come through or anything, I like to really bake. As you see, I am continuing to put powder on my face. Okay, so I'm just putting it underneath my eye. Everywhere I will put concealer, and anywhere I feel like could crack or maybe could possibly have some oil seep through, I just want to go ahead and get all of that, you know, snatched. All right, top of my forehead, honey, because I'll be walking around all crazy at work. I don't need to be sweating. All right, and then after that, after I bake everything like a crazy woman, y'all see my roommate? I'm screaming. I'm just gonna carve out my cheeks in the areas that I did not put the powder on. I'm just gonna be carving all that out and giving my face some dimension and some life while I'm baking. Since my eyebrows are done, normally my process would be to do my eyebrows after this, but everything's already done. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit before I wipe it all off. And carving and snatching that nose, honey. Snatching that nose. All right, so I done wiped everything off on my baking powder, and now I'm just taking that same brown powder from Black Radiance and just bringing some more life back into my cheeks and back into my face. Right, highlighting my eyebrow bone. Oh yes, because I got to be shining, 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 shining now. All right, so I'm doing both sides. And of course, you know, I love this part, just highlighting my whole face. Just gotta highlight the whole face, honey. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go in my favorite setting spray, Mario Badescu, and spray that tang. And I like to set it and get all the powders together so I don't look too powdery. Just, you know, getting it together. All right, so honey, I already highlighted the rest of my face and lined my lips with my Wet n Wild liner. And now putting on this new lipstick I got. I can put the details in the description box, but I actually really like it. It was really pretty. It was new. I'm pretty sure it's Kat Von D. Okay. All right, putting that on, and then I think I put on one more lip. gloss on top of that. Okay, give my lips some more dimension. Cause I like my lips lined. I just feel like when people have a lipstick on with no liner, I'm like, what you doing, baby? Where's that liner at? Okay, where is it at? Yeah, so as you see me really getting into that and bringing the color forth, you know, I'm looking kind of popping, y'all. I'm doing a little something. I'm trying to remember. This is a Anastasia lipstick as well. I'm putting that right in the middle, and that's real cute too. Yeah, show it all. Y'all see my nails? Y'all see them? Just cute or whatever. Alright, and I'm probably gonna go ahead off camera and put my lashes on after all this, and just blend my highlight. And yeah, y'all, this is about the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm putting my lashes on off camera. If you have anything that you want to see, just let me know. Give me a comment, like, and subscribe, y'all, to this bomb look, okay? If you want to see other looks, new looks, different things, just let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I holla. Kisses, babes.